Let's make watermelon jello. Let's step on the gas. Let's go.
Mixing bowl. Add in all your favorite fruit. I got here grapes, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, red grapes. Mix well and set aside. Next, we're gonna use one medium watermelon. Cut its head. Scoop out the flesh. Add in all your fruit and set aside. Add 1 cup of water in a separate bowl. Use 1 box of gelatin. Mix well till dissolve. Add in 3 cups of hard boiling water. Add the mixture to your fruit. Cover and refrigerate for 4 hours.
Wow, this is bossing, really bossing.